So our fry are getting larger every day, and some of them will grow faster than others. Some of them will be more competitive for food than others. So you're going to start to see some size discrepancies. Some will be bigger and some will be smaller. Well, we want to make sure the little guys get to eat. So as we start on a larger size of food, we want to make sure we feed the large food first to fill up all the big guys. Then we feed that small food to make sure all the little guys get some food as well. So we're going to start off with our big food, and I'm going to sprinkle some in the water here. And you can see some of them are going after it. Some of them kind of spit it back out because it's a little too big. And we expect to see that. And we're going to do tiny amounts because we don't want it to hit the bottom. We want them to get it all before it hits the bottom. So we're going to feed this larger food in tiny bits until we think that those larger fish are full. And they're taking this pretty well. So we make sure we do small doses of the larger food during the morning, and then in the afternoon we could switch to that smaller food. So I'll demonstrate that now. So hopefully our bigger fish are full, and then we can start dropping in some of the smaller food. And you can still see that they eagerly eat this. So we know this size is appropriate for everybody. And that bigger one, most of them can start eating. So again, we're only feeding less than a tablespoon of food a day, but we're splitting it up into rations. So we're going to try to split that tablespoon up into 4, 5, or 6 little tiny feedings. Sometimes you can do them like this, where you're doing them back to back and just make sure all the food is eaten, or you could split it up by like class hour. You just want to make sure everybody gets a full belly. Most of this stuff they're grabbing before it can even get on camera. So they're hungry today.